In this video, we will take a look at the main window of the MiTree. To open it, select any behavior and click Show in Designer button. Let's break down each section and explore what it does. At the very top of the window, we have a few important tools. The first one is Filter. In the top right corner, you will find the filter box. When you type something here, any node that contains the given text will become fully opaque to making them easier to locate. You can also navigate through matching nodes using the next button right next to it. We also have history. On the top left, there is a navigation bar. You can see the currently open behavior's name. For example, right now it's Meteor. Sometimes your behaviors may include nested behaviors. To move back and forth between behaviors, you can use this or simply click on the behavior name directly. Below the header, you will see a set of buttons. These buttons help you manage and organize your view while designing your behavior. The buttons include action, shared parameters, local parameters. We will cover them in detail in future videos. Now let's move on the main area, the workspace where you design your behaviors. This whole section is called the node view. It is where all your nodes are placed and connected. Each block here is called a node, and each one represents an action. We will cover actions in a separate video. Now, nodes can have different types of parameters. We will cover those in upcoming videos as well. When you right-click a node, you get a few quick options like disconnect all, edit, copy, paste, duplicate, or delete. As you can predict, all of them is basically helping you to edit, copy, duplicate this node. You can also make a multiple selection and do the same action. Whenever you select a node, its description appears at the bottom of the window. This helps you to understand what the node does at a glance. So that's a quick overview of the window layout. In the next videos, we will dive a bit deeper into creating nodes, working with parameters, and designing complex behaviors. See you there.